Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete your IMO account in a very easy step so make sure that you watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's start. Now to delete your IMO account, make sure that you have downloaded your IMO app on device and you are logged into your IMO account. So to open IMO account on a device, so as you can see, this is the home page of IMO where you'll see the option of chat, contacts and various rooms like that. Now if you want to delete your IMO account, you need to simply click on the three dot lines which is at the very top left, and you'll see the option like chat, planet, IMO, voice, premium and so on. So at the very bottom of the page you'll see the settings option, so click on it, and under settings you'll see the option like notifications, functions and so on. So on the second box of the settings you'll see the option like account and security, so click on it, and you'll see the option like two-step verification, passkey, change phone number, request account info, log out and delete IMO account. Now to delete your IMO account, you need to simply click on delete IMO account which is highlighted on red. So after that you need to enter your iPhone password for IMO to delete your account, so I'll just enter it. So this page will appear on your device, so now you can click on the option of apply to delete, and you need to select the reason for deleting your account, and you need to click on the option of continue delete, and you need to enter your phone number to delete your account. So you need to select a country or region code. So I'm currently from Nepal, so I'll select it and I'll simply enter the number right here. Click on the option of arrow light which is at the very top right side. So after that you need to simply scroll down, or you need to read the important notice, and you'll see the agree and delete option will appear in few seconds like this. So you need to click on the option of agree and delete, and you need to click on the option of delete to delete your account. So you have been logged out. So that's it. That's how you can delete your IMO account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.